If your agency is still sending you monthly manual reports, you're flying blind for 29 days at a time. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get real-time visibility across all of your social, search, paid and web at any given time in any given period. So if you head into the Digivizer platform, you can invite anyone to your brand space who holds the permissions on your accounts. So you can invite either your marketing team or your agency if they hold the permissions, give them admin permissions and send an invite. That's going to go straight to their inbox and they're going to be able to head into your Digivizer brand space and connect all of your accounts. So if we head to manage connections, this is where all of your accounts will be connected all through our partner APIs and it's all permission based. So once those accounts are connected, you can head back to the overview and instantly upon connection, you're going to get 30 days worth of backdated data. And you can connect all of your social accounts. You can see all of your own media from the accounts you have connected, your paid accounts if you're running paid, all of your search queries that you're tracking over time, as well as your web performance. And if you're using an agency where it might take a month to just get this view on your accounts, then you're actually going to get a live view of all of these accounts in one place, and you'll be able to see the performance over any given period. So once you're set up, you can track it on a weekly or a monthly, and once you've got some more data, you can even see quarterly and up to yearly reports and see your performance over that time. And not only does it let you see this in an instant, but it also lets you hold your agency accountable so you can flag if performance is down and make sure that they're keeping your accounts at a top level.